Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be learning how to create YouTube thumbnail using Canva. Of course, the first thing that you're going to do is go to Canva and sign into your account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for free. You can also design your own docs, whiteboards, presentations, social media, videos, print products, websites, and many more. And you might want to try also the available templates. But for this video, we will focus more on creating YouTube thumbnail. Choose a template. Canva offers a variety of pre-designed templates. You can choose one that fits your video's theme or start from scratch. Alright, so to customize your design, first background, use a solid color, gradient, or image. You can upload your own image or use Canva's library. For the text, add a title or description, or you can edit it or rename from the template itself. Use bold, easy to read fonts. Consider adding a shadow or outline to make the text stand out. And for images and elements, include relevant images or icons, or you can upload your own image or choose from Canvas selection. Once done, you can just adjust the image or resize the image. You can also send the image, the text backwards, or you can send it forward through the layers. Review your design to ensure everything looks good. Make any unnecessary adjustments if you have. And to download your thumbnail, click the download button at the top right. Choose your desired file format. PNG is recommended for high quality. And download the thumbnail. And here's the final file of your YouTube thumbnail. Thank you for watching.